वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। एक्सरसाइज बैंक लेटेस्ट करंट अफेयर। फ्रेंड्स, इस चैनल पे आपको करंट अफेयर रिलेटेड वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना। ये आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाली है। मैं ना हर इम्पोर्टेंट एक एक क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स देखना पड़ता है, तब जाके ये वीडियो बनते हैं। फ्रेंड प्लीज़, इतनी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लो और बेल आइकन को भी दबा लो, ताकि आपको हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम पे मिलती रहे। फ्रेंड्स, आज बैंक क्वेश्चन की कुछ रिलेटेड। फ्रेंड्स, अगर ये वीडियो कुछ 6 महीने बाद या फिर 2 महीने बाद भी देख रहे हो, तो ये आपके लिए यूज़फुल होने वाली है, क्योंकि ना बैंक के क्वेश्चन ना चेंज होते नहीं है। तो ये करंट बेसिस पे वीडियो बनाता हूँ। अभी जो अभी जो डेली में जो करंट अफेयर चल रहे हैं ना, उसके रिलेटेड जो बैंक क्वेश्चन है, जो आपको जब बुक खरीदते हो मार्केट से, उसके क्वेश्चन। एक्चुअली मैं एक सर, नागपुर में सर हूँ, वहाँ पे पढ़ाता हूँ, तो मैं सोचा आपके लिए कुछ कर लूँ। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। विच स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक awarded with great place to work certification? Option: Fincare Small Finance Bank, Equitas Small Finance Bank, ESAF Small Finance Bank, Suryoday Small Finance Bank. Answer is C, ESAF Small Finance Bank. Its explanation: the ESAF Small Finance Bank had been awarded Great Place to Work certification by the Great Place to Work Institute. Question number 2. On which bank RBI has imposed a penalty of rupees 15 lakh? Option: DBS Bank, YS Bank, HDFS Bank, Bank Financial Service Ltd. Answer is D. Its explanation: RBI imposed a monetary penalty of 15 lakh on Feedback Financial Services question mark नहीं friends Ltd, Mumbai for non-compliance with certain provision of the central bank direction of monitoring of frauds. Question number 3. What is the new wholly owned subsidiary set up by Punjab National Bank to manage its credit card business? Option: PNB Credit Card Freedom Ltd, PNB Card Elite, PNB Cards and Service Ltd, PNB Cards Ltd. Answer is C, PNB Cards and Service Ltd. Its explanation: state-run Punjab National Bank (PNB) has set up a whole-owned subsidiary, namely PNB Cards and Service Ltd, to manage its credit card business. Question number 4. With which bank the LOCL has linked Indian first LIBOR alternative rate deal? Option: State Bank of India, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, RBL Bank. Its answer is A, State Bank of India. Its explanation: the State Bank of India (SBI) and Indian Oil Corporation Limited (IOCL) will sign the first secured overnight financial rate (SOFR) link external commercial borrowing (ECB) deal. Question number 5. The RBI has imposed a rupees 2 crore penalty on which bank of paying commission to employee? Option: Allahabad Bank, Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, Union Bank of India. Answer is C, State Bank of India. Its explanation: the RBI has imposed a penalty of rupees 2 crore on SBI for contravention of norms, including specific direction to the leader or remuneration to its employee in the form of commission. Question number 6. Which bank has joined with IIFI Securities to launch KBL Smart Trade? Option: Karnataka Bank, Indian Bank, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda. Its answer is A, Karnataka Bank. Its explanation: the Karnataka Bank of a leading private sector bank and IIFL Securities Limited, one of the Indian largest broking and advisor firm, has joined hands to introduce KBL Smart Trade. Question number 7. RBI has extended the restriction of 3 months on which bank? PMC Bank, PNB Bank, HDFC Bank, YS Bank. Answer is A, PMC Bank. Its explanation: the Reserve Bank of India has further extended the restriction of crisis reading Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative PMC Bank by 3 months till 30 June. Question number 8. Which bank has signed an MOU with Tata Motors to provide loans with and EMI facilities for BS6 vehicle purchase. Option HDFC Bank, DBS Bank, SBI, Axis Bank. Answer is C, SBI. Its explanation: the Tata Motors Ltd has signed a MOU with the State Bank of India to provide affordable finance scheme for its prospective customers for small and light commercial vehicles. Question number 9. RBI has imposed restriction on the PMC Bank to carry out banking operation till which date? Option March 31, August 31, June 30, September 30. Its answer is C, June 30. Its explanation: the RBI has extended the restriction imposed on scam hit Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank for a future period of 3 months till June 30 to 2021. Question number 10. Which bank has chosen as the best SME Bank of India by Asia Money? Option Axis Bank, DBS Bank, SBI Bank, HDFC Bank. Its answer is D, HDFC Bank. Its explanation: the HDFC Bank has adjudged the Indians Best Bank for SMEs at the Asia Money Best Bank Award 2021. Question number 11. Which of the following bank to sell its UK arm to OpenPay Holding Ltd? Option Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank, HDFC Bank. Answer is A, Axis Bank. Its explanation: the private sector leader Axis Bank has entered into a share purchase agreement for sale of stake 100% stake in its subsidiary Axis Bank UK Limited to OpenPay Holdings Ltd. Question number 12. What is the revised estimated growth rate of India for fiscal 2021 to 2022 as per the World Bank? Option 9.55%, 11%, 10.1%, 8.24%. Answer is C, 10.1%. Its explanation: the World Bank has revised upward with the GDP growth projection for India by 4.7 percentage points to 10.1% of the financial year 2021 to 2022. Question number 13. Which bank in India has inked a loan agreement with Japan Bank for International Corporation to extend loan to the supply chain of the Japanese automobile industry? Option Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, State Bank of India. Its answer is D, State Bank of India. Its explanation: the Indian's largest leader, State Bank of India, has raised $1 billion from JBIC to extend loan to supply chain of Japanese automobile industry in India. Question number 14. RBI has extended the timeline for processing recurring online transaction. What is the new timeline of adhere to the rules? Aadhaar to the rules. Option December 31, April 30, August 31, September 30. Its answer is D, September 30. Its explanation: the Reserve Bank of India has extended the timeline for processing recurring online transaction by 6 months to September 30, 2021. Question number 14. Which bank has approved as 8,000 crore rupee for bond borrowing? Option SBI Bank, IDBI Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. Answer is B, IDBI Bank bond borrowing. Its explanation: the IDBI Bank board has approved is 8,000 crore bond borrowing limited for FY22. Question number 16. NBBL is a newly set up entity formed on April 01, 2021 to run the Bharat Bill Payment System business. The NBBL is a whole-owned subsidiary of which bank? IDB, State Bank of India, NPCL, RBI. Its answer is C, NPCL. Its explanation: the National Payments Corporation of India has transferred all its BBPS transaction business to NPCL Bharat Bill Pay Limited (NBBL), a whole-owned subsidiary of NPCL. Question number 17. The Reserve Bank of India lowered the base rate by how many basis points to 7.81%? Option 25, 30, 20, 15. Answer is D, 15. Its explanation: the Reserve Bank of India lower base rate by 15 basis points or by 0.15% to 7.81%. Question number 18. Which bank has tied up with Tide India to provide banking infrastructure for Tide's Indian platform focused on the SME segment? Option IDFC First Bank, RBL Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, IndusInd Bank. Answer is B, RBL Bank. Its explanation: the RBL Bank ties up with Tide India, part of Tide UK, UK's leading business banking fintech, to provide banking infrastructure for Tide India platform focused on the SME segment. Question number 19. Which bank has joined hands with N-Store to digitize offline retailer and small businesses in the country? Option Equitas Small Finance Bank, Ujjivan Ajivan Small Finance Bank, Jana Small Finance Bank, AU Small Finance Bank. Answer is B, Ajivan Small Finance Bank. Its explanation: the Ajivan Small Finance Bank said that it has joined hand with N-Store to digitize offline retailer and small businesses in the country. Question number 20. Last question. The State Bank of India raised how much amount from Japan Bank for International Corporation? Option 3 billion, 2 billion, 1 billion, 4 billion dollars. Answer is C, $1 billion. Its explanation: the State Bank of India has raised $1 billion from Japan Bank for International Corporation JBIC to extended loans to supply chain or Japanese automobile industry in India. Finish this video. Thanks for watching video. Goodbye friends. Please subscribe this channel for current affair videos related government exam. Goodbye friends.